Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot Forms to capture website leads step by step clearly. To configure HubSpot Forms to capture website leads, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Lead Capture. Then, click on Forms from the left sidebar. You will see an option to create a new form. Click on the Create Form button. Choose the form type you wish to create. For most cases, select Regular Form. Click Next to proceed to the form builder. On the left side, you will see various fields you can add to your form. Drag and drop the desired fields into the form area on the right. Common fields to include are first name, last name, email, and phone number. You can click on each field to customize its settings, such as label, placeholder text, and whether it's required. Once you've added all your fields, scroll to the bottom and find the form options. Here, you can set up the submission options. Select what happens after a user submits the form. You can direct them to a thank you page or display a message on the same page. If you choose a thank you page, enter the URL of that page. Next, configure the form's email notifications. Under Email Notifications, add the email addresses that should receive submissions. You can also assign the form submissions to a specific team member in the Lead Assignments section. Once all settings are configured, click the Publish button in the top right corner. In the next window, you will see the option to embed the form on your website. You can copy the embed code provided or use the integration options for specific platforms. If using WordPress, select the HubSpot plugin to easily add the form to your site. Once you have copied the code, navigate to your website's backend. Go to the page where you want to display the form. Paste the embed code into the HTML section of your page or use a custom HTML block. Save your changes and preview the page to ensure the form appears correctly. Finally, test the form by submitting a test entry to verify that leads are captured successfully. Check your HubSpot dashboard to confirm that the test submission appears in your contacts list. Congratulations! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.